dea'rra Taylor, girls, my sis. Hey vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn. This is Vibe with Brooklyn. And in today's video, as you can see from the title below, we are getting straight into another sunglass try-on review. Of course, I had to pick up my girl dea'rra Taylor's sunglass line called Lorvae. Okay, so when I saw during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, whatever it was, she was having like 40% off. I was like, I am going in for the kill. I have never tried her Sunnies and have wanted to, so I ended up picking up 2 pairs. So first, let me show you guys the boxes that they came in. So this is the box. It says Lorvae. It's really pretty, very basic, white. She gives you the cleaner for the sunglasses, which I really love. It comes in another case within that, so it looks like this. They're so pretty. Look already the color green. Like, first of all, you guys saw my last sunglass haul and I showed you a green pair of Sunnies, and those were fire, but this is more like that deep dark green. It's really, really beautiful for fall. She has her logo going across here, and I love it. I love the frames in general. They're giving very like goggle style. They have a curve to them, and so when you put them on, they're gonna wrap around your head really, really nicely. We're gonna try them on here in a second. On the inside it says Petty. These are the Petty sunglasses. Let me try them on for you so that you can see how they are fitting. So as you guys know, I like to tuck a little bit behind my hair. It just gives it more to me of a unison look. And girl, oh wait, I can pause if you guys need a second, because my girl dea'rra did this. I absolutely love these frames. Look at how the frames just like fit my face so well. I cannot wait to wear these, to rock these out and about. Like, I love the kind of like brownish, orangish, I don't even know. The lens are fire. I don't have anything that's like this green with this offset color of a lens. I'm absolutely here for it. They're $75. Olive and brown is what she's calling it. And absolutely olive and brown. I said orange, but definitely olive and brown. And as you guys can remember, always push your glasses a little bit down below your nose. And I feel like in these, I should be swimming. I'm a swimmer, like Michael Phelpsing it, because these are like the most stylish sunglass goggle wrap that I have seen that are $75. Like, most of the ones you see are hella expensive, let's get real. But yeah, so give you guys a closer look. So moving on from Petty, I got another style of hers. So the second pair of Sunnies that I got are these. Girl, dea'rra Taylor, girls, my sis. I absolutely love, like, straight out the box, not even tried on, I knew I was gonna love them. The frame, the shape, again, it's kind of got that wraparound style. I noticed she like really is into that, and I am too. I love when it frames to the face really, really nicely. Beautiful, I can't even talk, like beautiful arm here. Like, it's like kind of clear, see-through acetate. I love it. It says, these are called What's Tea. Give me like a real throwback kind of a look. They are $80. The shape is a nostalgic piece for the Y2K baddies, and she absolutely did this, and we're going to try them on. I love these. These are so, I use fire in every one of my videos, but these really are so fire. Like, these are bomb.com. Like, I just want to wear these for the rest of the video. Like, I feel like I should be doing some type of old school dance. Like, I don't even know. I feel very chic in them. I just feel like you don't even need to have makeup on, and these will up your game. This is giving me like 3LW vibes. All of the Sunnies that you used to see, that used to be the clear with the faded lenses, that used to be the jam back in the day, and I absolutely love these. I love how large they are. They kind of do sit right below the brows, but they don't cover the brows, okay? You guys know how I feel about a covered up brow. So I still bring these down to my nose. The bridge is a little bit wider, so you can't bring them too far down or they might slip off your face, so just be aware of that. Girl, I would be wearing these out and about. I want to wear them every single day. These shades are it, okay? So you can wear those with a bunch of different outfits, dress them up, dress them down. They're cute. So I seem to have gotten both of the sort of larger shades just for size comparison. You can see how large these are, but Petty is very, very cute as well. I'm glad I went with one that was like a little bit frameless and one that had more of the edges, the hard edge around. I need to go on your site right now and buy more. I regret not purchasing them all at this point, but I'm gonna go in there and get mine, so don't even worry about that. I will leave the links to both of these down below if you guys are interested in purchasing. You should, because how fire. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with any and everyone. They need to see that Lorvae is actually super, super poppin', and she's that girl right now. She really, really did that, okay? I love you guys so, so, so much, and I will catch you guys in my next vibe video. Bye.